that is the information that India Today has, that the fire that engulfed the ICU of Swai Man Singh Hospital has resulted in the death of multiple patients. As per information, more than 5 patients have died because of the fire, even though the hospital authorities are not putting anything on record as far as the death toll is concerned, but unofficially several of the sources have informed India Today that the fire was so mammoth inside the intensive care unit where 11 patients were present when the fire broke out, that several of the patients who were already in ICU, who were already battling health conditions, were not able to move out of the ICU, and this entire fire which engulfed the ICU has resulted, as per information with India Today, in several deaths because of suffocation. And even though efforts were made to move them out, unfortunately this fire has resulted in several deaths of patients. And India Today has possessed this information that even though attempts were made by several of the people who had arrived later on to move them out of this area, but clearly some of the patients could not survive the fire that engulfed, and allegedly the hospital authorities were unaware of the magnitude of the fire that had engulfed the ICU, which resulted in the death of several patients. With camera person Manish Devankur Wadhawan in Jaipur for India Today.
खुद परिजन अपने जाके अपने पेशेंट को बचा रहे हैं, अपनी जान को जोखिम में डालकर आदमी जा रहे हैं, और ये हॉस्पिटल का स्टाफ है ये भाग रहा है अपनी जान बचाने के चक्कर में। अगर उसके सामने अगर हॉस्पिटल में अब उसकी माँ तड़प रही है, चारों तरफ धुआं ही धुआं हुआ पड़ा, कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, किस तरीके से एक दूसरे से बेड टकराए जा रहे थे, कोई अपने पेशेंट को कैसे निकाल के सब ऐसा कर रहे थे कि कपड़े से ढककर, जिस पेशेंट की अगर पता नहीं चल रही है तो कपड़े से ढककर ले जा रहे थे पेशेंट को। वो तो परिजनों ने देखा, देखकर जब पता पड़ा ये हमारे पेशेंट तुम कहाँ ले जा रहे हो, अरे ये तो डेड हो चुका है, तो तुम कहाँ ले जा रहे थे, तुम कहाँ कर पेशेंट को कहाँ ले जा रहे थे, तुम तो कर